chicken today, Dave's Hot Chicken. So obviously I gotta stop, and I coincidentally have the new phone. So that's gonna be in this video test video. Alright, hello everybody. This is my first video on a Pixel 11 device. This is my 11 Pro because I am now the Google MVP at T-Mobile. So, if you need anything from T-Mobile, if you'd like to order a phone, you can get a phone on us if you switch, all that kind of stuff. Definitely shoot me a message on Twitter. But besides that, this is the new Pixel 11 Pro. The zoom on this is actually really good. I'm going to show that here in just a second. I've tested it on another device, but I didn't have anywhere to shoot actual video. So I'm very impressed so far with the zoom as usual. I mean, every year there's, an upgrade and it gets better every time. So I'm really happy to see a jump in this. Again, let me know how it sounds. I'm obviously in a car and I'm driving, so tell me if it filters it out or if it sounds natural. Coming up in this video.
Oh yeah.
Right up until the very end. But it's like pretty smooth this time. Look, you can see the paint
Yeah,
quality.
you can't do that on this one. It's all